Interlace the fingers under the chin. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, lower the arms. Repeat this 2 more times. Clasp the hands, bring the forearms to the thighs, and begin to lean from side to side. Experience the weight of the body shifting. Continue to lean. Bring the hands onto the floor in front of the feet. Single moment, single activity. Bring the body back to center. Brush up the tops of the feet at the hara, hands come back to back. And repeat this brush 2 more times. Experience the body as the arms lower to the sides. Stand comfortably and register your experience.